Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with On, and I'm doing an update for you all on my 40-gallon fish tank and the GloFish. They're all in here. I just fed them for their dinner the second time today. This is my gourami and my beautiful heart plant, and all my other water plants with my snail and my pluck of catfish back here. My sharks, and that's one of my Cory catfish, my fire gourami, and my moon GloFish. And these are some of my long fins. GloFish, my red and purple blue glow shark. This pink one's supposed to be a blue shark too, but she's a pink one with red fins. And they all get along all together real great in here. Little Cory catfish and two snails, a black and a white one. I got one striped barb over here sleeping in the heart water plant. So they like to sleep in it, I guess. And they make a little nest in there. I'll turn the light off because it gives a good effect too of the blue light. A fancy fire gourami. She doesn't glow, but I love her still. And the green little long fin too. There's the catfish, Cory fish. They're so fast. They kind of look different under the glow light too. And all the cool little plants I have in here with the glow gravel and glow plants there glowing over here. It does seem to be like in the top today. My little algae eaters are in there somewhere, I hope. I'll do an update again some other time for you all. I hope you enjoy my GloFish. I hope you all enjoy them as much as I do. God bless you, and Jesus loves you all, and I love you all out there too.